another wee niche video for you today. If you've got one of these tumble dryers, a Candy, I don't know what model it is, full of clothes and lint, Candy C8LF-80, and it does this when you turn it on, so it comes on just fine, right? Press start, right, started. Right, let's go a bit closer. You see the display there. It says it's on, and it is on. Still cold air coming out of the vent. Here we go. So it beeps, and then these lights flash, all the lights, 21 times. And the thing is still cool as a cucumber. There's no heat coming out of that. So the first time this happened, I thought the tumble dryer was knackered and we had to get the warranty guy out, the repair guy out to come and fix it, and he showed me how to fix it, and it is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen a warranty or a repair guy come out to fix in my life. Flashing it again 21 times and then it stops and does it again. This is plugged in up here because it's going through this little electricity meter thing. It counts how much it uses, because I was interested in that. Right, anyway, so let's get this tumble dryer out. So just check, that's a bit full, but anyway, never mind. Full tumble dryer out. Get rid of this top. Turn it around this way. You can hear the water sloshing about in there. So that needs emptied. We'll unplug it first. So just unplug it from the wall, make sure it's off. Can't turn it on. Right, now we get a screwdriver. Come in here. Make sure it's off before you do this. I'm not going to be held responsible if you electrocute your cell or anything. In fact, I'm not responsible for nothing. If you want to mess about with your tumble dryer, that's up to you. I'm just showing you what I learned off the guy. Save you some time maybe. Now that it's the winter, you might need to get your clothes dried in a jiffy. Now I know what it's like to be a TikToker, trying to do everything with one hand. Get these screws out. Don't need to take them out completely, just need enough screws out that that'll move forward. Get that one out as well. Oops, another one. To get a tripod. Almost. We'll run the ends and look at that out. Making things difficult for us. So it took about 7 minutes or so running to come across that error. That one out. Also, you need to make sure your filters, your water and all that's empty, but it shouldn't die if they're not empty. It should just maybe, go. It should show the warnings for those things rather than, because it's got lights for those things. Right, so we've got enough off here. This is quite flexible now. Pull it forward, have a look there. Now you see where that red wire is? There's a little button there. That's a resettable fuse. And you can tell if that fuse is tripped by pressing the button. When you press it, you'll hear it click. Hang on, back in a minute. Yeah, so you'll hear, when you press it, you'll hear it click, and that's it setting, that's it resetting. Let's see if I can get this sound for you. Ready? You hear that click? That was it resetting. You press it again, doesn't make that click. That was my fingernail doing that. But see, if you press it now, it doesn't click. But if you do it with your fingernail, it still does. So that's the heating element. The fuse is tripped on the heating element. So we'll just put the screws back in. So this is the second time we've had this tumble dryer, not even a year yet. That's the second time that's happened, for no apparent reason. The first time it took a week to fix because I thought the heating element was knackered, and we had to get the guy out to fix it. But it was still under warranty, even though the warranty company tried to tell me I might have to pay for it. They're obviously just rip-off merchants. Put all these screws back in. I mean, I can understand why they don't tell people how to do that over the phone, because you've got to take the back off, and well, some people might not be comfortable doing that. I don't mind. Some people might kill themselves by not unplugging it first and getting a bit carried away. Right, so that's the back on. Back. Stick it back in its wee hole. That's the little IKEA ironing board. Get it up behind there. Back in there. There's no vents on that side anyway. And now, plug it back in. We're back on. We can also see on this little electricity meter that I was telling you about, you can get this thing, that's the high-low watts there, 0.9 watts. It wasn't pulling any watts before. We want that to be pulling about 2000 watts when it's on. So we'll start the tumble dryer again. See right up there, it's up at 216 watts. There we go, it's up at 2000 watts now. That means the heater's working. And if I put my hand over the vent, not hot yet. Just try it inside. Yep, that's hot now. So that's it sorted. So there you have it. If you've got a Candy C8LF-80 and it's just flashing those lights when you turn it on, do that, take the back off, reset that fuse, and then you'll be back in business. You don't have to get anyone out. Might work with other Candy ones as well, I don't know, you just have to have a look. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope that's helpful. See you later.